Okay, so this one needs to go in your notes. This is that same function that was on part 2 of the worksheet, and then I just wrote the points in a table. So -6, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -2, and then -3, 3, -1, 0, and 2, 2. We are going to do a transformation using an a value. So when we have an a value, we are going to have to do things a little bit differently. So if we're going to transform by the function 2f of x minus 1 plus 4. So if we're going to transform by that, remember the value, so that stretches it or compresses it. Well, since it's a number larger than 1, it would be a stretch. And then this number right here moves it left or right, and this number moves it up or down. Just like in order of operations, you have to multiply first. We're going to have to use the a value first. So we have a, h, and k. The h and the k are both adding and subtracting, so you have to do those later. We have to multiply by the a value first. And if you think about it, since it's stretching it, you're just moving these points. Like this point would just be stretched up here to make it skinnier, and this point would be up here to make it skinnier. So what you do in this is, and I'm going to write a note, so when you have an a value, you have to multiply the y values by that number. That's a terrible cloud today. Man, there we go. So we're going to take all of these y values and multiply by 2. So -2 times 2 equals -4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 0 times 2 equals 0. And 2 times 2 equals 4. So I'm going to do just the a value on this graph to show you. These values aren't going to change, so it's going to be -6, -4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. -3, 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. -1, 0. And 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you look at that, so that definitely became stretched out, skinnier. So this is just with a value. Okay? Then once we do that, then we need to transform based on the h and the k. Remember, the h value moves it left or right. Well, since it's a negative, we're going to move right 1. And then the k value moves it up. So each point is going to move left 1 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 1. Or I'm sorry, I said left, but I moved right. It moves right 1 and up 4. So right 1 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, right 1 and up 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, or right 1 and up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then let's create our table. So this is our table, our final table for x, and then 2fx minus 1 plus 4. Sorry, I ran out of room. So -6, we just moved right 1, or we have to add 1. So negative 6 plus 1 would be negative 5. Negative 3 plus 1 would be negative 2, and you can see that right there. Negative 1 plus 1 would be 0, that's right there. And 2 plus 1 would be 3. Okay, then remember we multiplied by 2 on each of those, and then we needed to move it up 4. So negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 6 plus 4 would be at 10. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 plus 4 would be at 8. So I did find that I made a mistake on this point. So if you look, this point should be right here at 2, 4. So if I move over 2, up 4, make sure that that point goes there. And then whenever I have 3, 8,